Hello and welcome back to Past Paper Mux Zone. In today's video, we've compiled a list of the top 100 most asked questions from past papers of various competitive exams such as FPSC, SPSC, PPSC, and NTS. So, whether you are preparing for an exam or just want to test your biology knowledge, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Total volume of blood in a human being is 5 to 6 liters. What is the main function of white blood cell? To combat infection. Red blood cells are formed in the bone marrow. Blood does not coagulate in the body in the presence of heparin. The number of bones in the human body of an adult is 206. Lungs are situated in the thoracic cavity. The pancreas secretes insulin. The seat of memory in the human brain is located in the cortex. Tibia is the bone found in the lungs. The strongest muscles in the human body is found in the buttocks. The main function of the kidney is to remove waste product from body. A gene is a unit of heredity. The function of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen. A vegetable containing sulfur is cabbage. Enzymes helps in digestion of food. Ptyalin is an enzyme produced in the salivary glands. Heightened emotion is caused by adrenal gland. The shortest bone in human body is stapes. A balanced diet contain food nutrient for growth and maintenance. Wisdom teeth normally grow between the age of 17 to 30 years. Lack of insulin cause diabetes. Biopsy is done on tissue taken from a living body. Triple antigen vaccine is given to children to protect them against contagious disease. What does blood consist of? 60% plasma and 40% corpuscles. Pituitary gland is located just below brain. During sleep a man's blood pressure fluctuate. Ready source of energy available for athletes is carbohydrates. Chromosomes are made of DNA as a main component. The part of the cell which is essential for protein synthesis is ribosome. Short-sightedness is due to elongations of eyeball. How many muscles are there in human body? Approximately 700. The organ which destroys worn-out red blood cells in the body of a vertebrate is spleen. The saliva helps in the digestion of starch. Biological death of a patient means death of tissues of the brain. 35. Which of the following hormone contains iodine? Thyroxine. Respiratory center is situated in the medulla oblongata. In which form glucose is stored in the liver? Glycogen. Which of the following glands in human body is popularly called Adam's apple? Thyroid. In human body, the leg bones are fibula and tibia. Deficiency of calcium leads to rickets. Antibodies are protein. Insulin, a protein, acts as a hormone. The largest living bird is ostrich. Which of the following is known as graveyard of red blood cells? Spleen. The ligaments join bone to bone. The normal temperature of the human body is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Which muscle is the strongest of all in the human body? Jaw. Sweat glands occur in greatest number in the skin of the armpits. The total numbers of bone in the human skull are 30. In what form the food in onion stored? Cellulose. The plant part rich in carbohydrates is potato tuber. Green color of plants is due to the presence of chlorophyll. Which of the following plant bear no fruits but produces seeds? Cycas. Bryophytes are non-vascular plant. During photosynthesis green plant build up carbohydrates. Pollens are produced in larger numbers and are light in weight in flowers pollinated by wind. Photosynthesis is a biochemical process for the transfer of solar energy to food chain cycle. Ginger is an example of rhizome. The earliest organism that appeared on the surface of the earth were probably symbionts. Bamboo is a grass. Cork cells are impervious to water because of the presence of suberin. Fern belongs to Pterophyta. In which section of the plants does photosynthesis takes place? Leaves. Photosynthesis takes place faster in red light. Age of a tree can be determined by counting the number of the rings in the stem. Protein which acts as hormone is oxytocin. During the daytime plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Plants receive their nutrient mainly from soil. Potato is a modified form of stem. A plant cell is distinguished from an animal cell by the presence of cell wall. A man with blood group A can receive blood from the person having blood groups A, O. What does mycology study? Fungus. Duodenum is situated at the uppermost part of small intestine. Dialysis is used in the case of a patient suffering from kidney problems. Which gland of the human body produces insulin? Pancreas. In brain, the sites for intelligence, memory and emotion are present in cerebrum. Vaccines are treated bacteria or viruses are one of their proteins. Insulin, a drug that checks diabetes, was discovered by Dr. Banting. Which of the following is an example of hereditary disease? Hemophilia. Inside which of the following is a nucleus not found? An electric cell. Anaerobic are bacteria which can complete their life cycle without oxygen. The organ that filters blood in the human body is kidney. Deficiency of the iron in the human body causes anemia. The red color of tomato is imparted by carotenoid. Substances which bring down the body temperature are known as antipyretics. Enzymes are proteins. By taking pulse rate of a human body, a doctor determines heartbeat. Science of treatment of muscular and skeletal system is known as orthopedics. The study of the nervous system and its disorder is called neurology. Which area of the brain is responsible for the control of the body temperature? Hypothalamus. Which of the following is sedative? Equinil. Warm-blooded animal maintain a high body temperature for faster breeding. In which of the following do red blood cells originates? Bone marrow. Pituitary gland in the human body controls growth of the bones. The yellow color of the urine is due to presence of urichrome. Penicillin, an antibiotic, is obtained from a fungus. During formation of bread, the product that raises the bread is yeast. Aging in human body is caused by disappearances of which of the following glands? Thymus. Antigens is a substance which triggers the immune system. The unit of energy produced by food in the human body is called calorie. And there you have it, folks. The top 100 most asked biology questions from past papers of FPSC, SPSC, PPSC, and NTS. I hope you found this video both informative and helpful for your studies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Past Paper Mux Zone, for more educational content. Until next time, keep learning and keep excelling. Thank you for watching.